It's the third time I start this recording. But anyhow, I added a cabinet to the tweeters, so it's not a dipole anymore, and I wanted to see if it gets a little bit more less diffuse kind of sounding, because it was kind of weird. It was like a bit all over the place. So also I record quite closely because my room sucks, and I wonder how this fares. And there's not enough light anymore to focus. There was when I started this whole thing, but yeah, you know the drill. Focus. Oh, let's manual focus. This is annoying. I don't want this. Let's see. We zoom in. Yeah, thank you. Better. Not great. I mean, still a crappy image, but let's play a song. I discovered this new band. It's not new, probably exists for a gazillion years, but for me it's new. And I only knew one song of it. I've heard some times ago. I don't know, sometimes on the radio maybe. I have no clue where I heard it, but it's called Luwten, and the song is We Talk, and it's a nice way of recording a bass drum. A bit like over the top, but still it is nice. So here we go. Luwten, We Talk. On a close back Neo 10, I believe. That was not the beginning. Let's try it again.
It must have been the melody that tricked me into answering a trap. I felt as if I rolled the dice. I know this is what we are. We talk, we set the clock to leave a mark. You say things once, but I will hear them twice. I think that I'd like to turn up the lights now. I think that I might need it to be as clear as day and night. About the times that I tried to be what I'd like to be, but couldn't be like. Words that take on words with different takes on what to accept for to end up in a place where no one asks you what your age is anymore. So curtains closed, windows open back aside. I think that I'd like to turn up the lights now. I think that I might need it to be as clear as day and night. About the times that I tried to be what I'd like to be, but couldn't be like.
So this song has a lot of low end, which is nice, but of course these are tiny monitors, so they were kind of on the edge of, well, I heard some stuff rattling, probably the cables on the side. I'm not gonna fix it right now, but I might be able to play some song that is not having gazillion amounts of bass. Yep. It's Cocoroisie, Forget Me Not. It has some weird sounds, nice bell and such. Let's do it.
In brown clown face, tattered paw, pine scraps, fish bones, home phone, dial broke, pocket sunk. In brown paper sack, face hid, eyes black, shadow tears, funny ears, bird mouth, crumble ash. In black plastic bag, wounded snake, slaughtered skunk, no grave, flowerless. Dead deer, shocked eyes, open sky, velvet robes, VIP, heavenward, waywardly, stagger drunk, wounded stag, limp your way to paradise. Limp your way to paradise. Now I'm wondering if I close my eyes and I fall back in time. If only I could remember you, your name on a tree, your blood inside of me, your songs all unsung, your thoughts all unspun. Where would you live? Where would you dance? How would you make love? Who would be your dove? If only I could remember you. If only, if only, if only I could remember you. If only, if only. The fallen mirror bounces back, some of moon's gentle laugh, sudden echo, soft attack, mushrooms glittering on this path. There's only one way to find out who dares slay the deer. Left the eyes for the flies, then retreated into the brown grass. Bed of pine, needles prickling, the smallest manger fit for girl kings, chicken bones and pervert wings, dime bags and plastic rings. I still remember our first phone number. They circle me with genders and colors, flickering like demons or diamonds or nothing, flickering. Now I'm wondering if I close my eyes and fall back in time, could I remember? Could I? If only I could remember you, your name on a tree, your blood inside of me, your songs all unsung, your thoughts all unspun. Where would you live? Where would you dance? How would you make love? Who would be your dove? Oh, if only I could remember you, your name on a tree, your blood inside
This is what I like about Cocoroisie. I mean, come on. This is really nice. I like it. All the tiny... I think it's like a... I don't know, a marble machine kind of thing sounds you hear with the bell and such, but I like the combination of just natural sounds that occur in real life with some electronic low end in this case. And it's quite clearly that she has some sort of distortion and effect on her voice, but she has it on all her songs, but I like it. Really cool. Anyhow, that's the close back Neo 10. And I might make the tweeter even a little bit smaller to have a little bit better dispersion, because it's okay when you sit down, of course, but it becomes worse when you stand up, which is not a surprise actually, but anyhow, I might have to scrap these and make something new. I'll probably reuse the woofers, I'm pretty sure, although they're not the best. They should be okay, but they have some problems. Might switch to SB acoustics, I don't know, depending on how large the cabinet becomes, because I don't want it to be large. But I might be making a floor stander out of it. But a weird one. But we'll get back to that when I get something on the paper to show for it. So, see ya.